I've got this Umilk Nespresso machine that when it dispenses the espresso, half comes out of here, but the other half actually ends up in this bin. So I'll take this apart and see what's going on. So there are two screws that we have to undo, one down here and one down here. So you need one of these Torx bit with a hole in the middle to undo it. There's another screw back here. So I'm going to remove this piece now so we can see the nozzle where the espresso comes out. I'm just going to use this little plastic pry tool to just press around the side, and that's out. So I'm going to take out this top piece. It's held together by 4 tabs, one here, and 2 on the other side. I'll take this piece out. There's just 4 tabs that's holding it in place. Okay, so I've got this side out. I'm going to use a screwdriver and force this other side out. Oh, there you go. So that's come out. I'll check the strike plate. This could be blocked. But we'll see. So the strike plate's pretty tightly in place just here. I'm just going to pry it out. See if it's blocked. Okay, so that's not blocked. So after I've got this piece out, so this piece is held together by these tabs here that we have to pry out on both sides. And what I noticed was this thing here, it's missing one of these little thing here. It actually works the way when this moves back, this little knobby thing here actually help to push this down to dispense the espresso. So I think because one of these is broken, it's not lifting it right. So I've actually got a replacement one of these, and I'll replace it and see what happens. So here's a comparison. This one has 1 on each side, whereas this one only has 1. So 1 is actually broken off. When you're putting this back, there are 2 tracks here that actually lines up with 2 things here. So as you put it in, make sure it's lined up. So I'll just put this top bit back and we'll test it out. Okay, so just watch this as it goes back, and this one will drop down. and watch it go back up. Okay, let's see how much is in here. Okay, there's still a little bit there. It's probably because I don't have a pod in there, but certainly a lot less than before. So I think that's pretty much fixed it. I'll test it out with a pod later.